Investing in a good headset for your Xbox Series X is a great way to make the most of the console's advanced audio capabilities. Now that the system is well into its third year on the market, plenty of brands have begun offering their own competitive audio products. There are loads of different options to choose from, so to simplify the buying process, we've created this handy list of the very best Xbox Series X headsets that take into account a wide range of budgets and preferences. We've extensively tested all of the models featured and, as a result, know that they're among the highest quality headsets available for the console. And due to cross-platform compatibility, there'll be some crossover here with the best PC gaming headsets too. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X headset is our pick for the best overall Xbox Series X headset, thanks to comfortable design, fair price, and impressive performance. Nakin Rig 300 Pro HX. The Nakin Rig 300 Pro HX is a superb headset for such a low price. It features a comfy design and sound quality that punches well above its weight. Turtle Beach Stealth Pro, the best premium. The Turtle Beach Stealth Pro ticks all the right boxes for a luxury headset. It features excellent sound quality, a brilliant microphone, and an eye-catching premium aesthetic. Xbox Wireless Headset, the best official. Great price meets great performance. The official Xbox Wireless Headset is a fantastic starting point for those looking for a new headset to use with their console. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5X, best multi-platform, offering genuine wireless connectivity across all platforms as well as Xbox. In addition to first-class audio, a brilliant companion app, and SteelSeries features and pedigree, it's the best multi-platform Xbox headset money can buy right now. Fnatic React Plus, the best wired. There are a handful of reasons to consider a wired headset, including no longer needing to worry about charging. If you want a wired option, the Fnatic React Plus is a great choice. SteelSeries Arctis Game Buds, the best earbuds. The SteelSeries Arctis Game Buds are the full package when it comes to excellent gaming earbuds for Xbox Series X and offers brilliant gaming audio, a wonderful feature set including wireless charging for the case, superb battery life, and a brilliant companion app.